Hello there. What a wonderful way to rise. First card I'm seeing here, affirm. I am money and money is me. This is the first card I see. As soon as I rise, okay? Peep the frequency and get up on it. All right? You have to be dedicated to your vibration, honey. I am money and money is me. I am money and money is me. Simply because I remember that I am the source of value. And I choose to be of service to others for the highest good of all, honey. So, when you rise on up, instead of thinking of all kinds of crazy things, affirm, I am money and money is me. I declare and decree.